Is that a Webb Centre in Griffith? Original. These are a bit dodgy, aren't they? Original controllers. Slightly modernised though. May as well film these in case they get replaced or modded. Which they seem like they would soon, to be honest. Wow, these are smooth. Maybe these aren't original controllers. It's just still 2-speed, but it feels like ridiculously smooth for 2-speed. The indicator's very messed up, isn't it? It's not even changing. Only changes when like you're going 2 floors or 1 floor and when you arrive. Look, now it disappears. So weird. This is the South Bank Brisbane City campus. Webb Centre. S02. Stop. Yeah.